Hello everyone and welcome to Time to Cook. I am Chef Christy. Today I am making a creamy, dreamy crab dip. That is perfect for New Year's Eve or the Super Bowl. And I love dips because they are so easy to make and easy to serve. They are perfect for gatherings and events like the Super Bowl. I'm telling you, this crab dip is fantastic. It'll knock your socks off. So let me show you all the ingredients that you will need to make your creamy, dreamy crab dip. But before I do, please subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I am sharing delicious recipes every single week, and if you want to be notified as soon as I upload those new delicious recipes, then hit that notification bell and let me know that you like this video by giving me a thumbs up. So I'm using 2 6-ounce cans of the lump crab meat, but you can use imitation as well. I have an 8-ounce package of cream cheese, a half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and this is a sharp cheddar, 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, and 1/4 of a cup of sour cream, 1/4 of a cup of green onion. I'm going to be using some Old Bay seasoning, some juice from a lemon, and then this is some cayenne pepper. And that is completely up to you how much you want to put in there depending on how spicy you want it. Okay, so I have placed my cream cheese in a mixing bowl, and this has been sitting out at room temperature. And then I'm going to add my mayonnaise and sour cream and blend this together. Okay, so once you have blended together the cream cheese and the sour cream and mayonnaise, then I'm going to add the juice, about a tablespoon of this lemon juice. And then I'm going to add my cheddar cheese, and then just stirring this together. Then I'm going to add my green onion. And then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of this Old Bay seasoning. And I'm going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of this cayenne pepper. But like I said, if you want it to be a little bit more spicy, then add more. Or if you don't like spice at all, then don't add it at all. And finally, I have my crab meat, which I have drained and squeezed as much liquid out as I can. I'm just going to add that to my cheese. And then I'm just going to mix this crab meat in. Okay, and this is all there is to this dip. It is so easy. Just serve it with crackers. It's delicious. Oh my goodness. You know what I love about this dip is that it is seasoned really well with that Old Bay, a little bit of spice from the cayenne, but the crab is still shining through. You can really taste that crab, and it really is creamy delicious. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day and a very happy new year. And as always, I will see you soon with more recipes.